Welcome to Vibes of India. I'm Janvi and today we have with us Jignesh Mevani, MLA from Vadgam. So Jignesh, first of all, many congratulations for officially or unofficially joining the party. Yeah, tell us Jignesh, what are the challenges of a Dalit person to become a politician in India?
Since it is Vibes of India and you know the vibes of India, India has a lot of vibes of caste. We are a caste-ridden society. Every facet and dimension of life in India is brutally distorted by the phenomena of caste, to the extent that crime against a Dalit is committed every 18 minutes. But you need to go beyond caste. You have two options. Either you keep celebrating and cherishing this dogma of caste, or you go beyond it. If you ask me who I am, I will say I'm a modern day Homo sapiens sapiens. I'm a modern Indian citizen. I'm a global citizen. But still there are people, still there is a psyche and mindset who wants to tell you, mind well man, you are Dalit. So this is challenging, but we'll be able to overcome. And my focus will be the rights of Dalits, tribals, minorities, but also I will be talking about public health, education. That's me. I'm interested in cinema, theater, literature, poetry. I'm interested in all the dimensions of life. I mean, the way I'm interested in ensuring justice to the victims of caste violence, the same way I'm interested in rainwater harvesting. So I am not somebody who's going to get myself confined to the caste identity. I'm beyond it, and I will ask masses also to go beyond it.
And you have seen the Congress party as an outsider and now as an insider. What has changed for you?
I think nothing has changed. It will take a while for me to settle, but in coming days I'll be settled here. I'm already feeling a bit relaxed, stress-free, and now we got a platform. Now we'll have a backing of the party cadre. Now we'll have the backing of various organs of the party, NSUI, Youth Congress, this, that, and hopefully we'll be able to put up a great show in 2022.
And how the young leaders of the Congress party are going to deal with the Lakhimpur issue that's going on?
Yeah, Lakhimpur issue is extremely painful. The way the farmers are killed, it's like I have no words. And Honorable Prime Minister visited Lucknow. He was there in Lucknow yesterday, but he didn't pay the visit to the victims. It's really shocking. So I will appeal and urge to the youngsters, to the masses, and to the people of India that we should be really concerned about the farmers, and we can't remain silent when such brutality is committed.
How do you see the GMC elections? And how Congress performed in it?
It hasn't been great for us, but it's part and parcel of the game, and we'll improve, and I'm confident we'll be able to improve.
What are the top 3 issues on which you are going to work?
Inflation, economic exploitation of the working class belonging to the government segment and also the private companies, and third, of course, unemployment.
Is there any plan of execution when it comes to
in coming days I'll be going to all over Gujarat, and we'll have a dialogue with what people think about the issue of inflation and unemployment, and there is things are boiling under the carpet, and we'll be able to articulate it, and
Do you think there is a political mess going on in the Congress party itself, like within the party?
That's not the real vibes of India, but still I'm letting you have that interpretation. And कोई भी political party में this kind of things keep happening, but things will settle down. Couple of people are going, but Revanta Reddy has come on board. Hardik joined a year and a half back. Kanhaiya joined. In coming days I'll be joining. Many youngsters will be joining. So you don't see it as a problem. It's okay. It's part of the game.
Great. Thank you so much and congratulations once.